everybody. It's fine.
My dad is all about WhatsApp for some reason. It's really weird.
Hello?
Hello, Father. I know it's been quite a long time since I have last spoken to you. People need dramatic examples to shake them out of apathy, and I can't do that as Hope Taylor. As a woman, I am flesh and blood. I can be ignored, I can be destroyed, but as a symbol of hope, I can be incorruptible. I can be everlasting. I'm reaching out to you for some wisdom and some insight on certain matters.
Okay, HT.
After much time, repeated mistakes, I thought it best to go straight to the source. I've exhausted all my options internally and externally. I need your help. This is what happens when an unstoppable force meets an immovable object. I thought I was in a better place, a safer space, making the right choices. But I can't seem unable to stop dating jokers like you.
Okay.
These are difficult times, and the supervillain in my life needs to be stopped. It seems some men just want to watch the world burn. So I was looking to clear up some of our past or esoteric energy by our meeting today. I asked myself before initiating the bat signal to you. Why do we fall?
Holy shit, HT, are you serious?
So that we can learn to pick up ourselves. Maybe something you have holds the key to finally defeating this madman. I lived my life by the ethos for so long. Whatever doesn't kill you makes you stronger. But I would like to thrive, not only survive with my time here on this planet. True happiness. Seems like such an impossible feat, but I do have to say to myself, everything's impossible until someone does it. I'm looking to make the change and to find someone who can love me and respect me and honor me with what that means for a woman like myself. I've communicated my feelings and actions and intent in this last relationship with honesty and truth. And the night is always darkest just before the dawn, and I promise that the dawn is coming. I have even served this joker up some justice he deserves, but perhaps the knife was too slow. He's lied, he's cheated over and over again, disrupting and distorting the truth, providing no common shared reality. To my mind and my body, he has played games that are the most disgraceful. I have now found even more evidence that could put not only me, but the entire city of Gotham in perils. What am I to do? Why can I not cast the evil away? If I allow myself to go on any further and he defeats me once again with his villainous actions, if I allow it, I'll never come back. What is the source to defeat such evil? All men have limits, and they learn what they are, and they learn not to exceed them. I ignore mine. You either die a hero, or you live long enough to see yourself become a villain. So we finish this now. Have you ever danced with the devil in the pale moonlight?
Right.
I learned over time, and through my many years, I have one power. I never give up. The world only makes sense if you force it to. So, Father, tell me where the trigger is inside myself, and then you have my permission to die.
Is that the end?
I mean, I think it was pretty clear. I'm trying to figure out where the emotional trigger is inside myself for dating.
No, I get it. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to.
No worries.
Didn't mean to ruin that. It was
right.
It was very good. Very good. You obviously have it written down. It was really well written.
Well, understand that I acquired this meeting because I was truly looking to defeat such an evil, villainous criminal, and I had to go straight to the biggest one I knew. I know that we have a greater purpose here. And I'm wondering, is there any way to change a mindset that is capable of such evil? Cheating and lying and go ahead.
And what? No, you're on a roll.
No, I'm just wondering. I kind of have to see this Joker pretty soon, and I would like to just get him at his own game. Any advice, Dad?
No, I really don't have any, hon. I really don't.
It's been about 14 years. I could really use a little bit of advice, or Or maybe a throwing bat star. You could just get right at his jugular. I figured you would know the game better. I'm not that big of a cheater, so I don't really know. But you can check out our new release coming out this Valentine's Day. It's called I Hope Your Dick Falls Off.
Okay.
Not personally yours. I don't think about my bat father's dick. But it's definitely... I don't know who this HT is that you speak of, but...
Yeah.
That is the woman who is the flesh and blood.
I understand.
I am a Batman. I am the knight. What can we do here?
You know, if you ever really want to talk, you got my number. No.
Criminals by nature are a cowardly and superstitious lot. Okay. Is there any way to defeat such a madman? How do we go about this?
Yeah, I'm not sure.
Well, when you were sticking your penis inside other people behind people's backs, I was just wondering, did you feel? I'm wondering
Behind
if
people's...
behind people's backs, it's a little hard to do, but I just assume the woman that you're with doesn't know, right? Just pretend like she doesn't know that you take your thing and you stick it somewhere you shouldn't.
Are you talking about my first wife or my second wife? Or are you talking about your mother, HT?
I don't give a fuck about my mother. She's a terrible human being.
Okay, well then you don't know about my first wife or my second wife.
I don't care about those either. I'm asking in a general sense.
Well,
Should I
what you're
chop
saying
his
is not
dick off?
correct. Or if it was, then I would admit that, but it's just not true.
Would you wait until you got caught, or would you do it again after you got a second chance? Say you got a second chance, hypothetically, and you were in my bat cave, and then I found a second phone. Then what would you do? Would you? And the second phone is not for work purposes. We've ruled that out. He has no other work purposes for that. What can we do? Do we ultimately chop his penis off?
Oh, Jesus, kiddo, you are hilarious.
I mean...
Of all the 5 kids, you are most unique.
I think you truly will enjoy this music video. It's got the most creativity in it possible. I truly seem to not be able to find a man who can love my worthiness. Or there just truly is no one good enough for me out there, which I'm assuming that's the case.
I'm sure of it.
It's kind of a hard thing to handle when you're so fucking perfect.
I wouldn't know.
From north to... No, you wouldn't know.
I wouldn't.
And I choose to end my mission after this week. It's a tactical Valentine's Day takeout. So, with none of your help, I guess if you find any details that can speckle some self-love or respect my way. It was hard growing up alone. My mother's pearls were ripped right from her throat. She kind of deserved it. She was shitty too.
Yeah. I'm not going to disagree with you.
I'm just wondering, how do I stop dating my dad?
Well, he
almost looks like you. Like I'm not fucking playing. This is clearly like daddy issues I'm having right now.
I'm sure of it.
It's really bad. I rolled over and I was like, that's my father. It's his butt chin. It's his fucking butt chin.
Oh my god. Oh my god, kiddo.
How do we stop this?
Well,
Father, would you be happy with someone who has lied and cheated and lied again and is a cocky, condescending son of a bitch?
I don't think I'd tolerate that.
I mean...
Not my significant other, I don't think.
What about for your fucking daughter? How does it make you feel? I was kind enough to understand situations since I own my own business at Wayne Enterprise, and I'm about to take his second phone and shove it right up where the sun don't shine. So, for me being so understanding, no one gets second rides. They shouldn't have got a first. That's why I'm calling you. With as much respect as I do have, and as fucking amazing, phenomenal unicorn as I am. Why the fuck would I take him back?
Yeah, I don't know.
I just think that therapy was gonna take too long. So, I'm looking into it. But this seemed like the quickest route to possibly get to where I needed to go. I'm not sure if it was the smartest, but it's definitely the most entertaining for my viewers.
Okay, HT.
Again,
It was
This
nice
is-
to. Yeah, you don't know who HT is. I understand that.
understand. That's correct. She's just a woman.
Right.
This has
A
been
bat, a bat woman with.
yeah.
Yes. Yes.
I'm a symbol. I'm a symbol of hope.
A symbol of what was HT, kind of like Prince. I get it.
She's fucking fabulous like that.
Yeah.
This has been
She
about.
really is.
This has been about as resourceful as my youthful years of me gaining the knowledge I've needed. Fuck. Guess I'm gonna have to really look into some therapy at some point.
Well, I don't know any good therapists, but I'm sure they're out there.
Clearly. Thanks for the not help once again.
Well, I hope I'm entertaining for your viewers. I know this has been very entertaining for me.
This has been
Really
great.
has.
We're gonna make this a segment that's a little bit ongoing, so
That's fine. You have my number.
perfect.
Feel free to call.
I will. It's
Okay.
all right then. I don't know how you end these things, but
I don't either, but
I'm off with the night. It's
know
justice.
that I love you.
Justice.
Okay.
Justice.